In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own aesthetic wallpaper using Canva. Whether you're looking to freshen up your desktop background or personalize your mobile screen, we've got you covered. So, grab a comfortable seat and let's dive into creating something truly unique and visually appealing. First things first, you'll want to open Canva on your device. This can be done via any web browser or through the Canva app if you have it installed. Once you're in, you'll find an array of design options. In the search bar, type Aesthetic Wallpaper. This keyword will lead you to a variety of templates designed specifically with aesthetic appeal in mind. It's a great way to get inspired and to ease yourself into the design process. After your search results populate, take a moment to browse through the selections and pick a template that fits the vision you have in mind. Remember, there are no wrong choices here. Just pick something that resonates with your personal style or the mood you wish to capture. Once a template has caught your eye, click on it to open up the customization options. Now comes the fun part. Once you've opened your chosen template, you'll see the option to customize a template. Do not hesitate to make it your very own. You might want to start by editing the text, making sure it conveys the message or mood you're aiming to reflect. Feel free to play around with the color scheme, ensuring it complements your sentiment and vibe. Editing the colors can really change the feel of your wallpaper, making it more vibrant, soothing, or dramatic, depending on your desired outcome. Customizing the font style is another great way to add personality to your design. Canva offers an extensive array of fonts, from sleek and modern to bold and quirky. Whatever your choice, be sure it aligns with the overall aesthetic you're aiming for. Adding elements can also enhance your design. You can incorporate shapes, graphics, or patterns that bolster the theme of your wallpaper. Canva has a wide selection of elements to choose from. Experiment with them to find what fits best. Once you've finished tailoring your wallpaper to perfection, it's time for the final step: downloading it. Simply click the download button. Choose the file type that best suits your needs, whether it's a JPG, PNG, or PDF. Within a few moments, your new bespoke aesthetic wallpaper will be ready, saved to your device, and awaiting use. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating an aesthetic wallpaper using Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're satisfied with your newly designed wallpaper. Don't forget to let your creativity shine each time you create something new. Thanks for watching and happy designing.